Why are you so happy? Okay. So what are you eating? All right, it is what meat lover vegan pizza. So it got vegan pepperoni, vegan sausages. It looks good. Of course, look at mommy's bowl. We just decided to go to Trader Joe's, and we stopped here to get something to eat real fast before we stepped into Trader Joe's. Of course, we're at Flourish. All right.